Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be trying menu number 19, beef patty jalapeno pepper jack. Okay, so I made my own mocha because I went and did that first because I just couldn't stop thinking about it. So I got the spoon, tortillas plain, beef patty, really excited about this, cherry blueberry cobbler, which I've never had before, chocolate chip cookie, I think it's the first time having a chocolate chip cookie too, Reese's Pieces, which I love, ketchup, mustard, cheese spread with bacon, beverage bag, FRH, and then the orange beverage mix, which I already went ahead and pre-mixed because I'm experimenting with ways to trim the time on these meals. I always feel like they run a little long. So, I mean, I guess I could have left out the making of the coffee, but you know, it is what it is. And then the accessory packet, which probably has coffee and stuff, but I made my own. So that will save, but let's get the FR. Alrighty, got my cobbler and the patty in here. Now I've had bad luck with these FRHs in the past, as many of you know. I was thinking it would be interesting data. I wish I'd collected and saved all the info. Where's the water? I can't even, oh, okay. Couldn't even see the water level. So, give it a shake. The chemical moving around. And of course, nothing ever wants to stand up. Alright, let's see how that works. So, if the FRH doesn't work, what I'm going to do, and I just thought of this, is I'm going to turn on I'm going to boil water and just dump it right in the bag. That's my idea. Even though I like the cast iron, and I do, but I'm going to try it this way. If it doesn't work, I'm going to boil water and dump it in the bag. Just irritating how inconsistent these bags are. Let's let that do its... Yeah, it's barely even getting hot. Add a little oxygen, as suggested by a viewer. Because in like the totem I did, it was suggested it needed air or salt. Which the bag won't work. I guess we'll go with first dessert first and go with try the cookie. I don't think I've ever had the cookie. Well, I'm hoping it's not bad like the oatmeal. So, here's the cookie. It's dry, like the oatmeal one. I mean, it doesn't taste terrible, but you know, we got some mocha. We'll just dip that sucker right in there. Shocker, no reaction from the FRH. So. We got ourselves a purdy boil. I kind of want it to be laying down. Ooh. Bag's filling up. I need like a clip to hold that shut. I don't know if that's showing up or not, but you can actually see the bubbling in the FRH. And all I did was pour in boiling water. So I don't know if the boiling water kick-started the FRH or not, but you can definitely see some kind of reaction going on. It's interesting. Alrighty. So first of all, if you're going to do this, do it where you don't mind getting water everywhere, because water spilled out all over the place. I set the whole bag on top of the cheese to get the cheese warmed up a little bit. I got the cobbler in here and the patty in here. I'm going to dump out the water. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I think that boiling water sure made an interesting, had an interesting reaction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cheese and on the tortilla. I don't have any crackers or anything with this, so man, imitation bacon always has that really weird flavor. Not a bad weird flavor, just a weird flavor. And the sausage patty, or the beef patty, excuse me. Let's get that sucker open. It looks like, I can't see the view screen, so you can see it. It kind of looks like, hope that shows up okay. Kind of looks like one of those frozen TV dinner, like Salisbury steaks. That's that. Got some water in there. It almost seems a shame to waste the water, but I don't have anything to put it in. I guess I could drink it. I mean, it's just broth. I'm tempted to not use the ketchup and mustard just to see what it tastes like. I wasn't sure if they were trying to go with like a hamburger or what, but well, let's taste one first, and then need be. Now they should have given you two patties, so you have, you know, so it crosses over the whole thing. But be kind of like a taco. Let's use the rest of the cheese. I guess this is a pretty popular one, I'm told, so. Alright, let's tilt you up so you can see me. Alright, give this guy a try. My first bite's gonna be nothing but tortilla. So one thing, it is not hot, but it's pretty warm, which is pretty nice. I don't know if it needed the ketchup and mustard or not. Or not, I should say. It's not really, I mean, it says it's pepper jack with jalapeno, but I'm not really getting, I mean, there's like a mild spice. So, I kind of like it though. I don't think it needs the ketchup and mustard though. Of course I got the orange mix. So I'm going to enjoy the second one off camera. You just saw me eat one. I'm not going to use the ketchup and mustard. I'm just going to eat it. And then we'll rip open the cobbler. Well, I have to say, this is not bad. You do get a little spice. I mean, if you really like your food spicy, like crazy hot, you're probably going to think it's mild. I like a mild seasoning or a mild spice or kind of a medium spice. But for me it's a little mild, but yeah, it's on your individual taste. I'm going to rip open the cobbler now, which I'm looking forward to because I've not had it. So, there you go. Oh man, the cobbler is money. Heated clear through. I mean, I wouldn't say it was hot, like temperature hot. I mean, I don't have to blow on it, but the boiling water in the FR8 sure did the trick. It just made a big mess everywhere, unfortunately, but yeah, I like this cobbler. So much so I already killed it. It doesn't give me very much. Okay, well that's that. Cobbler, delicious. Alright, gonna finish things off with the Reese's Pieces. One of my personal favorites. I just can't open the damn thing. Oh wait, I think there's a tear spot right here. There we go. I think Reese's Pieces are pretty much underrated. Everyone's always like, M&M's, M&M's. I heard they're good enough for ET, right? Well, I hope you found the video interesting. As always, I appreciate you watching. I look forward to your comments. I have 3 more MRE meals that I have. I bought 4 more. This is the first one, so I have 3 more, which I'll shoot at random or when I get a chance. Well, I'll thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.